chaotic, and totally unaware of the laws of physics. Today, we're diving headfirst into their fluffy, unhinged world. Buckle up. This is gonna get weird. He's a flame commander in a fur coat. The real avatar has arrived, and yes, he prefers tuna over world peace. I swear there was water here a second ago. I was gonna drink it, but I taste nothing. And this, folks, is the ultimate post-bathroom cleaning technique. Approved by cats, not recommended for humans. Wearing a mask, waiting for the perfect moment, and sneaking like a pro. This orange cat is clearly on a mission. It's like he spotted a squirrel and actually caught it. A true hunter. I know you're watching, and I don't care. A true rebel in orange fur. Living in a cold, chilly world every day. But this orange cat has the perfect solution. Just find the warmest lap around.
Very good. We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my steps.
You don't mess with the orange legend.
Run.
In his mind, that was his wife.
No.
Having an overly aggressive orange cat? Some call it chaos. True believers know. It's a blessing in disguise. Even Orange has no idea how dangerous it is to mess around with his voice.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Sometimes the orange cat believes his greatest enemy is himself. And honestly, he's not entirely wrong.
You are my honey bun sugar plum.
He's basically yelling, "Feed me, Mom, I'm starving." Hello? Did someone just put something on my neck? The orange cat has found true comfort in his new friend.
这有什么？你这是要被他复习。
What the dog doing?
Excuse me? Someone really needs to fix this leak.
Help me!
Yappy.
Me!
Jung jung jung.
Why take the easy way when you can take the chaotic way? Did you know? The orange cat is a true anything-goes eater. While the other cats turn their noses up, he's ready to feast on whatever's available. The orange cat. 3 hours of complete stillness. Meditation, or just pure cat logic. The orange cat has his favorite sleeping spot. And trust me, do not disturb. It's a sacred space only for the bravest of souls. Doing yoga is how the orange cat shows love for his body. Caught on camera, a series of absurd poses by the orange cat. No context, no explanation, just pure chaos. Someone inside must open the door immediately. He truly believes his greatest enemy is himself.
You're my honey bun sugar.
He truly believes his greatest enemy is himself. Can someone close the door, please? Trust me, Orange can keep this up for hours. No one knows why, but we've all just accepted it. No one is allowed to enter his territory. Not now, not ever. The Orange Law is final. This cat does not like that weird object. Sure, he's a little weird, but he's got a talent for tidying up. For those who don't know, this is how the orange cat communicates. Subtle? Not at all. Effective? Absolutely.
这个小东西它不起来，快快快快快！
Sometimes the orange cat indulges in, let's say, questionable food choices. But hey, he's living his best life. He just can't stop fighting with himself. It's a never-ending battle. Come on, Mom. I'm starving over here. You stay here. Let Orange take care of this.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
And there you have it, folks. Another day in the life of the legendary orange cat. Stay tuned for more chaos, cuteness, and of course, plenty of attitude